everyone, welcome back. For this video clip, I'm going to show you how to clean your espresso machines. Here are the things that you would need. An espresso detergent. Use what's available in your market. They should be available on online selling platforms. A small wrench to unscrew the shower screen. I use a ratcheting wrench number 9 for my espresso machines. An espresso brush. This usually comes with hard bristles, a pin, and a scoop. The brush is for cleaning the group head, the pin to declog the steam wand holes, and the scoop for the espresso detergent. The backflash basket for your portafilter. Let's take a look at the daily cleaning routine. Flush the water from the group heads and use the special cleaning brush to clean around corners that might have leftover coffee grounds. Place the backflash basket in your portafilter. Put half a teaspoon onto the backflash basket. Lock the portafilter onto the group head. Press any button to release water into the portafilter for about 5 to 10 seconds. Repeat the same process 5 times. Remove the portafilter with the backflash basket. Next, we need to rinse the group head. Clean the basket and remove all the detergent out. Put the portafilter back onto the group head again, this time without the detergent. Press any button to release water for about 5 to 10 seconds. Turn it off. Repeat the same process 5 times. This is to rinse off the detergent from the group head to make sure there is no residue which could cause your coffee to be off. Use a damp clean towel to wipe the inside corners of the group head. For the steam wand, steam plain water to allow easy removal of the milk stain. Take off the steam wand tip. Clean and use the pin to remove any dried milk. Clean the tray and wipe under the tray too. Turn off the espresso machine and release all the steam. Clean the portafilters and basket. Do check out my other video clips on how to clean and maintain your portafilters and baskets. Now let's take a look at the weekly maintenance routine. Wash the screen shower in the group head once a week to remove all coffee or tea residue. Use a small wrench to take the screen shower out. Now I maintain mine regularly so it is relatively clean. If it has not been cleaned regularly, this is how it looks like. Let's clean them. Into a metal bowl or a sink with a stopper, pour hot water. Add a scoop of the espresso detergent. Dissolve the powder. Here's a small tip. There is no need to use the detergent powder each time. If you maintain it well, you may simply use hot water to clean the parts. Soak for about 20 minutes or until the water cools down. Clean every part with a brush. See how dirty the water is? Rinse the parts in clean water. Leave them to dry. Wipe the group head and every corner with a damp towel. Reattach the shower screen back on using the wrench. Do not fasten too tight, just enough so it does not fall off. If your espresso machine is maintained well, you will increase its useful life and you get great tasting coffee each time. You will find details of this maintenance procedures in my book, The Basic Barista. Well, that's all I would like to share with you today. If you have any questions, do let me know, comment below. And don't forget to click that subscribe button, like, comment, and share the love. I'll see you again for more of these video tutorials. In the meantime, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.